Imagine a world where every 10th person you encounter cannot flip a switch to light their home or turn a knob to cook their meal. It's a stark reality, as presently, 733 million people worldwide lack access to electricity. That's about 10% of the global population. In the year 2015, the United Nations set forth a series of ambitious goals, known as the Sustainable Development Goals. Among them, Goal 7 aims to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. It's a key catalyst for development across sectors like agriculture, business, communications, education, healthcare, and transportation. Looking back at the progress made from 2015 to 2021, we've seen global electricity access rise from 87% to 91%. Yet, despite these strides, 675 million individuals, mainly in least developed countries and sub-Saharan Africa, still remain in the dark. On the bright side, the world has seen an increase in access to clean cooking fuels and technologies, reaching 71% of the global population in 2021, up from 64% in 2015. Yet the flame of progress has failed to reach sub-Saharan Africa, where population growth has outpaced the adoption of clean cooking methods, leaving 900 million people without access. While renewables power nearly 30% of energy consumption in the electricity sector, significant challenges persist in heating and transport sectors. But the future isn't bleak, far from it. Fast forward to the year 2030. If we are successful in achieving Sustainable Development Goal 7, we could see a world where everyone has access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services. Imagine a world where international cooperation facilitates access to clean energy research and technology, promoting investment in energy infrastructure and clean energy technology. Imagine a world where infrastructure expands and technology upgrades to supply modern and sustainable energy services for all, especially in developing countries, least developed countries, small island developing states, and landlocked developing countries. The journey towards achieving Sustainable Development Goal 7 is no walk in the park. It requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing policy revision, increased investment, education and awareness, research and innovation, international cooperation, and a transition to decentralized energy systems. The establishment of robust monitoring and data collection systems to track progress and identify areas for improvement is crucial. Regulatory support that fosters competition, innovation, and market growth in the renewable energy sector is also vital. When these steps are implemented collaboratively by governments, businesses, communities, and individuals, we can accelerate the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 7 and transition the world towards a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. Imagine that world, a world lit by the glow of sustainable energy, a world where no one is left in the dark. That's the world we could have in 2030.